Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English online class brought to you by St. Xavier School, Pune. Dear learners, I expect that all of you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Alhamdulillah. I am also fine. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. This is Mohammad Zakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier's School, Khulna. Dear learners, you know that we are passing a very crucial time right now because of the great pandemic COVID-19 named coronavirus. You also know that all educational institutes of Bangladesh are closed due to coronavirus. But the government of Bangladesh had been launched online class and it is going on all over the Bangladesh. Besides, our school authority, not only our school authority but also most of the schools and colleges all over the Bangladesh has launched also online class. And I am presented here on behalf of St. Xavier School, Pune. Today, dear learners, I am going to conduct a class for class 9 English second paper. Okay, dear students, let's go to start our class. Welcome to online class arranged by St. Xavier School, Pune. Dear students, welcome to PowerPoint presentation. I am here represented by all educational activity through PowerPoint. This is my identity. I have already given you. Let us enjoy some images and text to guess something. Okay? Let's go. He said, kick the ball. He ordered to kick the ball. One said to another, don't disturb me. One requested to another not to disturb him. The penguin said, let's jump into the sea. The penguin proposed that they should jump into the sea. Okay, dear learners, tell me, what are we going to discuss today? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to discuss about imperative sentence. That means direct and indirect speech of imperative sentence. Dear learners, I would like to also mention here that in our previous class we have also discussed about the basic rules of narration, as well as we have also discussed the basic rules of assertive sentence, interrogative sentence and optative sentence. So today we are going to discuss about direct and indirect speech of imperative sentence. Okay, dear students, so let's go to learn some basic rules of imperative sentence. And today our lesson is converting imperative sentence from direct to indirect speech. Okay, dear learners, today our session is imperative sentence. How to transform from direct to indirect in a imperative sentence. Learning outcomes. After we have finished this unit, we will be able to, after we have started this lesson, we will be able to define imperative sentence, identify the patterns of imperative sentence, convert imperative sentence into indirect speech. What is imperative sentence? Firstly, we have to know what is the definition of imperative sentence or what is imperative sentence. Okay, Yes, students, let's go and we will give some example. Just look at the slide and say, March 1, let's go. Always speak the truth, but don't always speak. But you will try to speak all the time the truth. Get out. Take it, please. So, I think that you have understood that these all sentences are imperative sentence. Okay? So, what is the definition of imperative sentence? Imperative sentence, we mean order, request, advice and command. Imperative sentence, dear students, I think that you all are ready to write down these things. You are ready with your pen, pencil and notebooks. Okay, so this is the definition of imperative sentence. I mean, imperative sentence implies that order, request, advice, command, proposed, etc. Okay, so imperative sentence, we mean order, request, advice and command and propose. Okay, so how is an imperative sentence formed? Dear students, you must be write these forms, how we can build up an imperative sentence. Okay, do it at once. Do it at once. This is the imperative sentence, and this structure is firstly verb, then object, then extension. I mean the rest part of the sentence. Okay, this is a structure. Do it at once. Here do is verb, it object, and once, at once, that is extension. Okay, this is pattern number 1. Let me do this. Let me do this. This is pattern number 2. Firstly, it has been started let, then object, then verb, then extension. Okay, whenever you will see this type of structure, that time you can realize that this is imperative sentence and this is pattern number 2. Okay, let me do this. Firstly let, then object me, then verb do, then extension this. Okay, basic in indirect, how reporting verb changes in pattern 1. I think that you have written in your notebook pattern 1 and pattern 2. Now we will learn how reporting verb change in pattern 1. You must be write this structure in your notebook. Please, dear students, you have to write this structure in your notebook. Firstly, to mean, here to mean, then direct, then indirect. Okay, whenever the sentence mean order, that time you have to put one order instead of say two. Okay, and then order, then object, then to, then reported speech. This is structure. Indirect speech, the structure will be in indirect speech. Firstly subject, then order, then object, then to, then reported speech. Okay, rules number 2, command. Whenever you will realize that the sentence is imperative sentence and this, as well as it implies command, that time you have to put on command instead of say to. Firstly you have to put on subject, then commanded, then object, then to, then reported speech. Rules number 3. Rules number 3. Request. Whenever you will make out that the sentence is imperative and it also mean that this is requesting. That time requesting, that time you will put one request in a state of said to, and this is the structure. Firstly subject, then requested, then object, then to, then reported speech. Please dear students, you will write this structure in your notebook. Okay, next, whenever you will get an imperative sentence and you will also realize that the sentence is meaning advised, that time you have to follow this structure. Firstly advised, then object, then to, then reported speech. Okay, I think that you have understood this all kinds of structure and you have also written this structure in your notebook. Okay, now we will go to example. Dear learners, look at the slide. He said to me, do your duty. He said to me, do your duty. That means he, here do your duty, that means ordered. Okay, so he ordered me to do my duty. Okay, here we have applied that structure, order structure. Okay, do your duty, it means ordered. This sentence implies ordered, so he said to me, we have put on ordered in a state of said to. So the structure has been here. He ordered me, then to do my duty. Okay, next example. The commander said the soldiers march on. Here march on, it is implied command, so the answer will be the commander commanded the soldiers. The commander commanded the soldiers to march on. Okay, here in direct speech, the commander said the soldier march on, and the indirect speech will be the commander commanded the soldiers to march on. Okay, I think that you have written this all example in your notebooks. Okay, now we'll go to next example. He said to me, please help me. Whenever you will get please or kindly, that time you have to understand that the sentence is meaning requested, request. Okay, so you have to convert here. He requested me to help him. Okay, dear learners, whenever you will get please in any imperative sentence, that time you can realize, you will be realized that the sentence is must be meaning request. So you have to write or put on requested instead of said to, and you have also omit please or kindly for next sentence. Okay, so the answer will be he requested me to help him. He requested me to help him. Okay, he said to me, obey your parents. He said to me, obey your parents. He advised me to obey my parents. Okay? Obey your parents. This is imperative sentence and it also means that advice. Okay? So you have to write advised instead of said to, and then you have to follow the structure. Okay? Which I have been shown before. He advised me to obey my parents. Okay? He advised me to obey my parents. This is direct speech and this is indirect speech. Okay? How reporting verb change in pattern 2? Students, firstly, I have shown you the two patterns of imperative sentence. Pattern number 1, it has been already ended, and I think that you have written in your notebooks all the rules and examples. Now we will go to pattern 2. How reporting verb change in pattern 2. He said to me, let me drop the matter. He said to me, let me drop the matter. Begins with whenever any imperative sentence begins with let, that time you have to follow this structure. Let said to. Dear students, sorry. Whenever this sentence is begin with let, that time you have to follow this structure. Said to, you will be requested instead of said to, then object, then that, then subject, then might, then B1, then extension. Okay? And there are also another rules. This is example. He requested. We have applied these rules, this structure. He requested. We have put on requested instead of said to. He requested me that he might drop the matter. He requested me that he might drop the matter. Okay? He said to me, let us play the march. This is another example I have already mentioned. Whenever any kind of imperative sentence will be started, let us or let's, let us and let's are same thing. Okay? Whenever this sentence will be started, let us or let's, that time you have to put one proposed instead of said to. You have to put proposed to instead of said to, then object, then that, then we or they, then should, then verb, then extension. Okay? Let's go to example. He said to me, let us play march. So we will be apply here this structure. I mean, he proposed to me. We have put one proposed instead of said to. He proposed to me that we should play the match. Sorry. Let us play the match. He proposed to me that we should play the match. Okay? Dear learners, you must be written this structure in your notebook. Please write it. This very, very important rules, very, very important structure for imperative sentence. So please write this structure. Okay, dear learners, I think that you have written in your notebooks this structure. Now we will go to next example. Converting into indirect speech. Okay, he said to me, let him go. I think that you will be able to answer these questions. He said to me, let him go. Yes, you're right. He told me, requested me that he might go. My friend said to me, let us settle the dispute. My friends proposed to me that we should settle the dispute. Yes, dear learners, you are right. The teacher said to the students, follow elders. Follow elders. The teacher advised the students to follow elders. Yes, you are right. Rohim said, let us swim in the pond. Rohim proposed that they should swim in the pond. Right, you are right. The man said to the boys, let them enjoy the game. The man told or requested the boys that they might enjoy the game. Exactly, you are right. Dear learners, I also would like to mention one thing, that if you not able to understand any kind of grammatical terms, including this type of rules or this type of topic, that time you will call me or you will give me text through my messenger, and inshallah I will try my best to reply your text or reply your call. Don't forget, he said to me, don't disobey your parents. He advised me not to disobey my parents. This sentence has been started don't, so we have to put on not to. Okay? He said to me, don't disobey your parents. He advised me not to disobey my parents. Okay? Next example. Mother said, don't follow the bad. Mother advised not to follow the bad. Mother advised not to follow the bad. Since this sentence has been started don't, so we have to put one not to. Okay? So the answer will be, mother advised not to follow the bad. Not to follow the bad. This is the notes. If the reported speech begins with imperative don't, you have to write not to before reported speech while changing a direct speech into indirect speech. I have already mentioned these things. So you can write this important notes, dear learners. If the reported speech begins with imperative don't, you have to write not to before reported speech while changing a direct speech into indirect speech. Okay? This is also another important structure, important rules. This is pair work. Since you are staying at home, so no need to pair work. You have to do it individually. Okay, dear students, write the structure of imperative sentence pattern 1 and how the reporting verb changes. Write to example. You have to do this pair work individually because you are alone and you are staying in your home, so you have to do it individually. Okay, Write the structure of imperative sentence pattern 2 and how the reporting verb changes. Write 2 example. You have also perform it individually. Okay. This is your home task. You can write in your notebooks, please. Change the following speech from direct to indirect. The teacher said to me, never tell a lie. The teacher said to me, never tell a lie. Father said to his son, go to school regularly. He said to me, please give me 100 taka. Get out, said he. Let's enjoy the match. This is your home task, dear learners. You have to write in your notebooks this example, please. We have already reached the ending situation in your class. This is your home task, so may Allah bless you. Dear students, thanks a lot for your active participation in my class, and I also request you that stay home, be safe, don't go outside without any emergency. Okay dear students, thank you very much.